Welcome back, warriors of the hobby realm. Today, on Chimera Wargaming, we witness Stefano, a master of brushes, pigments, and imagination, as he breathes life into an ancient relic from another world. This is a remastered project, and the glow of creation begins with the powerful Fluor Colors from Greenstuffworld. Some time ago, Stefano crafted a dimensional portal, a gateway between worlds. Whether it is used by the forces of chaos or good, that choice is left to the viewer. The portal, inspired by the legendary Stargate, one of Stefano's favorite films, just behind Terminator 2, now returns, ready to shine with new energy. He begins by carefully applying Fluor Rose using the Greenstuffworld airbrush, thinned slightly for smoother flow. As always, he shakes the paint well, a ritual known to every true hobbyist. The first layer goes on randomly, creating a chaotic and powerful glow across the portal's surface. Then comes the blend. Fluor Yellow and Fluor Rose merge into a fiery transition, and suddenly the portal begins to look alive, as if magical flames are escaping from another realm. But Stefano doesn't stop there. He mixes in Fluor White, also from Greenstuffworld, adding brightness and intensity to the palette. With each pass of the airbrush, the flames grow more vivid, more real, dancing and shifting as if summoned by spellcraft. And now, the moment of truth. Stefano turns on the Greenstuffworld UV torch and tests the effect, and it's nothing short of spectacular. The portal glows brilliantly from every angle, as though it channels power from the stars themselves. A true spectacle of hobby alchemy. If you're enchanted by these glowing effects, you can find the full set of Fluor paints on the Greenstuffworld website. The link is in the description. Just search for Fluor paints. The full range is available at a price that honors the craft. Thank you for joining us in this journey across dimensions. Remember to subscribe, support the channel, and stay tuned for more epic creations. Until next time. Stay grimdark, stay inspired, and may your portals always glow bright.